Hello, geography enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Welcome to our mesmerizing voyage into the history, creation, and evolution of continents. These magnificent land masses that we call home have an exciting and complex story to tell, a tale that goes back approximately 4.5 billion years. From the ancient solitary landmass before the continents called Pangaea to the rise of the supercontinent era, the journey of continents is indeed spectacular. But let's delve deeper. Our Earth experienced multiple supercontinent cycles. They formed, broke apart, and reformed again with shifting tectonic plates, creating the continents we know today. The process of their formation and transformation has been slow and steady over billions of years. It's not just an event of the past, but is still ongoing. Yes, our continents are continually moving, with Australia being the fastest at 7 centimeters per year. But hey, did you know that the number of continents can vary from 4 to 7 depending on geographical conventions? Fascinating, isn't it? Or that continents are not just about the land we see, but also include the continental shelf and islands on the shelf? Even more intriguing is the fact that Africa was once covered in ice. The Sahara Desert, the hottest desert on Earth, was once a snowy wonderland about 450,000 years ago. Intrigued? Well, that's just scratching the surface. And guess what? You can be a part of this exhilarating journey too. Just hit that subscribe button and share the video with your fellow geography lovers. Are you ready to venture further into the labyrinth of the continental saga? Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this thrilling journey through time, uncovering the secrets and mysteries of our planet's continents. Our expedition starts deep into the past, billions of years ago, when Earth was a scorching sphere of molten rock. Try to envision our planet suspended in the vastness of space, its surface alive with blistering oceans of lava and erupting volcanoes, a sight almost unfathomable compared to the world we inhabit today. Over millions of years, this burning sphere of chaos began its transformation. As Earth's outer layer started to cool and solidify, the very first landmasses began to take shape. Interestingly, these weren't the colossal continents we are familiar with today, but rather smaller clusters of land that would over time mold together to form the continents of the future. Intriguingly, as these initial landmasses were forming, deep down beneath the solidified crust of the Earth, immense forces were silently at work. The Earth's crust wasn't a single seamless shell, but a jigsaw of colossal slabs known as tectonic plates. These titanic plates were continuously in motion, albeit glacially slow, barely faster than a fingernail's growth. But don't let their slow movement fool you, their impact was monumental. When these tectonic plates collided, they gave to imposing mountain ranges. When they drifted apart, the result was the creation of vast ocean basins. And when they slid past each other, they triggered earthquakes capable of altering landscapes. It was these tectonic movements that paved way for the creation of our very first continents. Over the course of millions of years, smaller landmasses bumped, scraped, and ground against each other, slowly amalgamating form increasingly larger continents. The Earth's face began to take form. The continents were born, although they were still a far cry from their present-day configurations. These primordial landmasses were constantly in motion, converging, diverging, and breaking apart in a ceaseless geological ballet, choreographed by the movements of tectonic plates. Thus, stage was set for the dance of the continents, a dance that continues even now. Yes, as you listen to this, the continents are moving, almost imperceptibly, reshaping Earth's visage in a process that will persist for billions of years to come. The Earth's geological history is a tale of constant change and evolution, and it's far from over. As time pushed forward, the birth of the era of supercontinents was marked by the gradual convergence of the Earth's initial landmasses. Imagine an epoch where all the continents we currently recognize were cozily nestled together, crafting a behemoth of an expanse. This is the era of supercontinents, a testament to nature's breathtaking architectural prowess. Among these colossal supercontinents, Rodinia was one of the early giants. Existing over 1 billion years ago, it was a landmass so vast in size that it stretched from the north to the South Pole. Rodinia, whose name means motherland in Russian, was a silent herald to the immense might of tectonic forces that mold our planet. After Rodinia disintegrated, Pangaea emerged on the planetary stage around 600 million years ago. It had a relatively short lifespan, existing for a fleeting 50 to 100 million years, but within this short existence, it sowed the seeds for the advent of the most renowned supercontinent of all. Enter Pangaea, a name that sparks recognition. Pangaea derived from the ancient Greek words pan, meaning all, and Gaia, meaning earth, was a supercontinent that graced the Earth's surface about 300 million years ago. It was an era when an adventurous journey from today's Antarctica to North America could be made without the need to cross any water body. But what instigated these monumental geographical transformations? The key to this puzzle is hidden within the theory of continental drift. Proposed by Alfred Wegener, this theory postulates that the Earth's crust is fragmented into several large pieces referred to as tectonic plates. These plates, although moving at a snail's pace, result in noteworthy shifts over millions of years, inducing the drifting or collision of continents. As we delve into the saga of our continents, we unveil a world perpetually in flux. The continents as we perceive them today are mere snapshots in an ongoing, constantly evolving narrative of our planet's geography. The disintegration of Pangaea was a catalytic event that sculpted the continents much as we know them today, and the study of these supercontinents helps us better understand the dynamic nature of our home planet. From the remnants of Pangaea, the supercontinent that once cradled all earthly landmasses, familiar continents began to take shape. The monumental supercontinent was not destined to endure. Its fate was sealed by the very mechanism that gave it life, plate tectonics. Approximately 200 million years ago, with an uncompromising force, Pangaea began to rupture. The tectonic plates, with continents aboard, drifted apart, propelled by the relentless heat of Earth's molten core. This was the genesis of the Atlantic Ocean, a vast expanse of water born out of separation and destined to widen indefinitely. Picture, if you will, a continental dance carried out over millennia. Shifting at a pace as leisurely as the growth of a fingernail, the continents embarked on their unique voyages. The Americas ventured west, while Africa and the future Europe and Asia moved east. This grand tectonic ballet was not always an elegant display. The dramatic interplay of collision and separation triggered massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions that sculpted the world as we know it. This continental movement gave rise to awe-inspiring landscapes, including the majestic Himalayas, which were thrust upwards due to the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. Far to the south, Australia, once a component of the southern sector of Pangaea known as Gondwana, commenced its solitary drift towards the equator. Antarctica, once a verdant landmass teeming with life, was propelled towards the desolate South Pole, morphing into the icy desert we recognize today. The formation of the continents was not a singular event, but rather a process that continues into the present day. It's an evolutionary geological spectacle occurring at a pace that's difficult for humans to grasp. The continents are forever shifting, Atlantic is ever widening, and the Pacific Ocean is steadily shrinking. The Earth, it appears, is a planet in constant motion, ceaselessly altering its shape. And so, over the course of millions of years, through immense seismic activity and tectonic shifts, the continents we inhabit were formed. This grand geological narrative serves as a potent reminder that the world beneath our feet is far from it's a dynamic, perpetually changing stage upon which the drama of life unfolds. Our continents today are more than just expansive tracts of Earth. They are vast, living tapestries that weave together a myriad of ecosystems, cultures, and geographical features, all of which contribute to the rich tapestry of our planet. Cast an eye over Asia, the largest continent, a melting pot of diverse cultures, languages, and religions. It's a place where more than 60% of the world's current population resides, and where over 2,300 languages are spoken. Famous for its cities, Asia plays host to two of the largest metropolises worldwide, Tokyo and Mumbai. But there's more to Asia than urban landscapes. Venture into the unspoiled wilderness of Siberia, and you'll find the world's largest forest area, home to numerous species that cannot be found anywhere else. Then we journey to Africa, often dubbed the cradle of humanity, a continent where human life is believed to have originated. Africa is a cultural mosaic, boasting over 2,000 distinct ethnic groups and more than 1,500 languages. Beyond its cultural richness, Africa's geographical diversity is equally breathtaking. Here, you can find the Sahara, which is not just one of the world's largest deserts, but also the hottest. Contrastingly, the lush rainforests of the Congo represent the world's second largest tropical forest, teeming with wildlife and unique plant species. Crossing over the Atlantic, we find ourselves in the Americas North and South. These two continents are a showcase of ecological diversity, from the barren, icy tundras of Alaska where the sun hardly sets during summer, to the awe-inspiring Amazon rainforest, the world's largest tropical rainforest that is so big that it produces 20% of the world's oxygen. It's also the home to cities that never sleep, like New York, known for its iconic skyline, and Rio de Janeiro, famous for its carnival. The kaleidoscopic fabric of our continents today is a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet. But, as vibrant and diverse as they are now, who knows what the future holds? Only time will tell. However, one thing is certain. Our continents will continue to inspire and ignite our curiosity, offering endless opportunities for exploration and discovery for future generations. Embarking on an odyssey spanning billions of years, we've observed the birth, evolution, and speculated future of our continents. We've plunged into the enigmatic depths of the past, unraveling the intricate processes that formed these colossal landmasses. From their fiery, tumultuous beginnings within the molten heart of our planet to the relentless tectonic forces that have ceaselessly shaped and reshaped them, we've journeyed through time and space to understand their story. We've traversed the epoch of Pangaea, the supercontinent that once united all land on Earth, and the explosive fragmentation that led to the 7 distinct continents we know today. We've also delved into the debate surrounding some theories which suggest there were only 4 original continents. We've surveyed the continents in their present state, pondering their potential future trajectory. Will they coalesce once again into a singular supercontinent, or will they continue their gradual drift, giving birth to an increasing number of smaller land masses? Only the sands of time hold the answer. The story of our continents is not just a chronicle of geological change, it's a testament to the dynamic and transformative nature of our beloved Earth. It's a narrative that's still unfolding, with each of us playing our part in its ongoing development. Therefore, let's continue to satiate our curiosity, keeping our minds hungry for knowledge and understanding. Let's delve deeper into the mysteries of our Earth, seeking answers and asking new questions. To further your explorations, we encourage you to dive into the plethora of resources available, conduct your own research, and engage in enlightening discussions. Remember, our journey doesn't end here. It continues with you, with your desire to learn, explore, and understand. Thank you for joining us on this epic voyage through time. Until we meet again, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay endlessly curious about this incredible world we call home.